Understanding the basics of seamanship is essential for anyone looking to navigate the waters confidently. Seamanship is not just about steering a boat, it's about mastering the skills that keep you and your crew safe while enjoying the beauty of the open water. Let's start with the fundamentals. Seamanship involves a variety of skills, including navigation, boat handling, and understanding weather conditions. Knowing how to read charts and use a compass is crucial. You want to be aware of your surroundings, including landmarks and potential hazards. A good sailor always has a plan and knows how to adapt when conditions change. Now, let's dive into anchoring, a vital skill for any boater. Anchoring isn't just about dropping a hook, it's about choosing the right spot and using the right technique. When you anchor, you want to ensure you're in a safe location, away from currents and other boats. The type of anchor you use can make a significant difference. For beginners, a fluke anchor is often recommended because it sets well in various bottoms. Once you've chosen your anchor, let's talk about the nylon rod. This is the line that connects your anchor to the boat. Nylon is preferred because it has elasticity, which helps absorb shock from waves and wind. A good rule of thumb is to use a scope of at least 7 to 1. This means for every foot of water, you should let out 7 feet of rod. This ensures your anchor holds firmly even in rough conditions. Next, we have spring lines. These are essential for docking and maneuvering your boat. A spring line runs diagonally from the boat to the dock, helping to control your boat's movement. When you're coming into a slip, using a spring line can prevent your boat from drifting away or hitting the dock. It's all about maintaining control and ensuring a smooth docking process. Now, let's touch on deck operations. Keeping your deck organized and safe is crucial. Always have your lines coiled and ready to go. A cluttered deck can lead to accidents, so make it a habit to stow away gear after use. When you're working on deck, communication with your crew is key. Use clear commands and hand signals to ensure everyone is on the same page, especially in busy or challenging situations. In summary, mastering basic seamanship and anchoring techniques can significantly enhance your boating experience. By understanding navigation, choosing the right anchor and rod, utilizing spring lines, and maintaining a safe deck, you'll be well on your way to becoming a confident and capable sailor. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and enjoy the water.